No matter how deep the pain is or how long the trough is, please remember that the light has never been far away, and it has been waiting to be awakened in the depths of your heart. Accept the past, let go of persistence, regain courage, embrace yourself with compassion and love, and embrace the world. Every painful experience is an opportunity to find the light in your heart. When you feel tired, try to ask yourself, am I fighting against my heart? Many times, our pain comes from our unwillingness to accept the current reality, and the struggle with our own heart is the biggest consumption. However, when we choose to accept, our hearts will gradually settle down. Accession does not mean giving up, but a kind of calm power. Try to forgive yourself in the past, and also forgive the people who have hurt you. Every experience, whether it is joy or pain, has shaped you today. When you choose to let go of your resentment, the light in your heart will light up again, illuminating the way forward. Life is like a river, sometimes calm, sometimes turbulent, but its end is always running to the sea. No matter how difficult it is at this moment, please believe that you are not alone. Everyone struggling in the low tide is looking for the same light. And this light is the true self in your heart. The road in the future will not always be smooth, but every choice of light is to lay a more solid foundation for yourself. When you wholeheartedly believe and embrace your inner strength, every moment of life is full of infinite possibilities. In this society, people are often forced to wear masks, and even lose themselves in order to cater to the expectations of others. The external voice makes us question our inner desires. While drifting with the flow, we gradually move away from our true selves. The real self is the truth we have at every moment, but it is suppressed under layers of disguise. When you stop following the noise of the outside world, listen to the inner voice quietly, and remove illusions, you will see the true nature. Finding yourself is not an overnight thing, but a continuous process. When you are willing to accept your imperfections and embrace every failure and setback, you will begin to awaken your heart. This process may be accompanied by pain, but every leap is a journey to the light. Awakening does not mean that you have to change the world, but the way you see the world. When you look at yourself with love and compassion and accept every true self, you become the master of your own life. This power can not only change your life, but also illuminate the path of others. Adversity is a compulsory course in life. Its appearance may make people puzzled and even feel unfair, but every challenge has a profound meaning. When we choose to look at difficulties with gratitude, we will find that it is a silent mentor, bringing us wisdom and growth that we cannot learn from good times. Like a seed, only in the dark soil can the miracle of life be born. You in trouble may be at a critical moment of growth. When you learn to be grateful for every challenge, it will become a force that pushes you forward, not a shackle that binds you.